Okay, another tip for you. This is good when you're at the track or you got to push your bike somewhere but you need your work stand also. How do you carry it? It's kind of difficult if you want to, well, you gonna put it up on the handlebar, you know, that's kind of difficult to do. You know, it's kind of hard to hold on to it. So here's a trick of how to carry your work stand as well as push your bike at the same time. You simply put your kickstand out, take it like this, and you can either rest it on the kickstand. That's the easiest way, and that way you don't damage your bike. But if you want, you know, another way to do it, if you have a hole in your stand, you can put it in like that. So it's, you know, not as obtrusive, you know, to hit something out beside you. And just push her in. Very simple, right? That way you don't have to have a helper also. Simple little tip. And what else? Next video we're going to look at comparing a tire that has about 10 rides on it to a brand new one. So you can see about how many rides a tire might last you. So we'll be right back and look at that.